Imagine a world where every product you desire is available instantly, with almost no waiting time. This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie, but rather the evolving reality as artificial intelligence reshapes supply chains around the globe. AI is revolutionizing the way goods are moved, stored, and delivered, making supply chains smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. At its core, AI in supply chains involves the use of machine learning algorithms and data analytics to predict demand, optimize routes, and manage inventory with unprecedented precision. These systems analyze vast amounts of data in real time, from consumer purchasing patterns to weather forecasts, enabling companies to anticipate needs and adjust their operations accordingly. This level of insight was previously impossible with traditional methods, which were often slow and reactive. By leveraging AI, businesses can reduce waste, lower costs, and improve customer satisfaction, creating a more resilient supply chain. Consider the example of Amazon, a company that has become synonymous with logistical innovation. Amazon uses AI to streamline its supply chain operations extensively. Its predictive analytics system can forecast demand for products before they are even ordered, ensuring that items are stocked in warehouses close to potential buyers. This reduces delivery times and minimizes shipping costs. The company also employs AI-powered robots in its fulfillment centers, which work alongside human employees to sort, pack, and ship items with incredible speed and accuracy. These robots can handle tasks that are repetitive and physically demanding, allowing human workers to focus on more complex problems, enhancing overall productivity. Another fascinating application of AI in supply chains is seen in the automotive industry. Car manufacturers like BMW and Mercedes-Benz utilize AI-driven systems to manage their vast and intricate supply networks. These systems can predict potential disruptions, such as delays in part shipments, and suggest alternative solutions to keep production lines running smoothly. In a sector where timing and precision are critical, AI ensures that manufacturing processes remain efficient and cost-effective, even in the face of unexpected challenges. AI also plays a pivotal role in optimizing the shipping and logistics sector. Companies like DHL and FedEx harness AI to improve route planning for their delivery fleets. By analyzing data such as traffic conditions, fuel prices, and delivery urgencies, AI can determine the most efficient routes in real time, reducing fuel consumption and delivery times. This not only saves money, but also contributes positively to the environment by lowering carbon emissions. In this way, AI is not just transforming supply chains for better economic outcomes, but also pushing the industry towards more sustainable practices. While the benefits of AI and supply chains are significant, there are also potential risks and challenges to consider. One concern is the reliance on vast amounts of data, which raises issues around data privacy and security. As companies gather more information to feed their AI systems, they must ensure that this data is protected against breaches and misuse. Additionally, the shift towards AI-driven supply chains could lead to job displacement as automation takes over tasks traditionally performed by humans. However, it also opens up new opportunities for jobs focusing on AI management, development, and oversight. Looking ahead, the continued integration of AI into supply chains promises to drive further innovations, potentially leading to fully autonomous supply networks. As AI technology advances, it could enable supply chains to become entirely self-regulating, adapting to changes and disruptions without human intervention. This could revolutionize industries across the board, making them more resilient and adaptable to the ever-changing global market. However, as with any technological progress, it will be crucial to balance these advancements with ethical considerations and a commitment to sustainability, ensuring that the future of supply chains benefits everyone involved. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more insights.